Welcome to this week's video. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Carlos from our journey on Pico Island here in the Azores. That's where the island is. And welcome for the first timers that are watching the videos, and for the regulars. I hope you guys are doing well. And today we were supposed to go kayaking here, something I've always wanted to do here on Pico, and which we haven't, but we were unable to get the kayaks. But so I decided just to come. It's a beautiful day here. It's actually June 1st, May just ended. It's June 1st, and it's a gorgeous day, as you can see. And I'm around one area that I love coming to here on the village of Lajes, and surrounded by water and lava. So I'm going to try a little fishing just to relax, not to really. I'm not here to catch a lot of fish to go, for lunch or anything like that. Just to kind of, it relaxes me. So I decided, let's go to the coast. Laura's just lounging by the water there, and yeah, let me just show you around. If you haven't seen this area before, take a look. Yeah, this is the there's this reef, I guess, that when the tide's low, you can come all the way out here, which is right now. And obviously when it's high, a lot of it's covered, but it's great just to unwind out here. As you can see, you can hear the nice waves. The water's fairly calm today. That's why it would have been perfect for kayaking. And this is the area we're going to kayak around here as well. So as you can see, I'm going to pick a couple areas here, just throw the line in, see what I can catch, because you can catch so many varieties of fish here in the Azores. Just depends what bait you're using. I don't even know what I'm going to use today. I'm just going to try and find a crab or these snails that are around here, and go from there. So I actually see Laura. Let me see if I can zoom in on her. I left the towel there and saving the spot for her, and I think she's made it. There she is. It's nice to relax, when you're doing a lot of things, and when the days are like this, just should be by the water, in my opinion, especially if you're on an island, and that's exactly what we're doing. Okay, glad you're with me, and stick around. Catch and release. Nothing like this, in my opinion, to be surrounded by water. I know you guys have follow regularly, hear me talk about this, and I am going to be doing more of it. Laura and I, when we're on the island on Pico, yes, we will work. We will, take care of what needs to be taken care of, and we're definitely going to take time for ourselves. And when you have a really nice day like today, you gotta make, even if it's for 3-4 hours. Like in this case, I think I've been here for now 3 hours, and Laura just went back. She was on the other side there, out where you swim. I just been fishing basically, and yes, I caught 2 triggerfish, a good size too, and I released them, smaller fish. But like I mentioned, this is more just to haven't fished in a while, kind of get the kinks out, and just get out here. If I catch something, it's no big deal. Not here to catch right now to bring back and eat. Obviously, if I got something really nice, I'm prepared to clean the fish down here. But we'll do one just on fishing. I also wanted to test my GoPro, our GoPro. We've had it for a while. We haven't used it, and I think I did a pretty good test, and I'll see when I get back, when I see the footage. But yeah, this is what it's all about. If you love being on an island, and everything sounds like every time I talk about the island, the bell tolls. But I know there's some of you out there and that live chaotic lives or are in stresses, and if you can get away to a destination or a place like this, you know, out there somewhere in the planet. There are other places. Now, in our case, it's here. It's in the Azores. These North Atlantic islands are to us like gold, really. And we're fortunate to be here. We keep giving thanks. We're thankful. And I think it's important to even more so people from here to acknowledge that. A lot of them do, and I know they're actually, you know, everyone I talk to pretty much loves coming back. The ones that hadn't come back that are now connected, they're thankful that they did, and there's more coming. I'm sure of it. And I think it's when you look around, you know, I'm just gonna pan the other way to see where I'm looking. You know, again, I've done videos down here before, but you know, just to spend some time here. So lots of activities you can do on the islands. You know, cycling, hiking, whale watching, canyoning, you name it. You can do lots of nature activities, but you know what? Doing nothing like this, because I consider this just lounging on the rocks. A lot of the heat that's coming under me here is incredible, and I think this is so. I don't know. I don't want to say dramatic, but yeah, just when you know, and that's why probably I usually wind up talking more on the videos, because I feel like I need to share this so you guys can kind of be in my shoes a little bit more, and Laura's shoes. The ones of you that need to be in a place like this can, you know, make a move and go find your place. You know, if it's here, it's easy to get here. We're 5-6 hours from Toronto, 4.5, 5 from Boston, a couple hours from Lisbon, so it's easy to get here. So the different you know, airlines that you can connect to get here. There's one regular airline, the Azores Airlines. So again, yeah, I just think it's amazing to have the privilege to be in a place like this, guys. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with us. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be here, but if I see something else worth filming, I will. I could have kept that one. That was a good size, good fight. Nice fillets, fried pork, triggerfish. I think I'm going to sign out here, guys. A bit tired. It's been about 4 hours now, I think. And yeah, it's been great. And I appreciate you guys hanging out with us here in Pico on the coast. And see you on the next video. I hope you guys like the video and actually give me a thumbs up. Good for YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you like this kind of content, nature, just us kind of share what we do here on the island life type thing. What else? Comment. Say hello. Okay, guys. So great to spend some quality time here in this very healthy area of the planet, the Azores. See you on the next video.